Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your password on Messenger. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Messenger application on your phone. So if you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of this, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch Messenger. Let me just go back because I was in a group here. And all we need to do, if we want to change our password, just go and click at our profile picture at the top left corner. So if you click on that, all we need to do, just scroll. As you can see here, if I click on privacy, we will not have the option of changing our password. If you click on logins, it will just appear when or who log into my account, and maybe I can log him out, but I cannot change my password from here. So all I need to do, just go back and go back again, and all you need to do, just go here and click at account settings. Wait until it loads, and here, as you can see, we have the security option. All you need to do, just go and click on that. Then if you want to change your password, we have here at login section, change your password. So here, all you need to do, just type your current password right now, and then type a new password. So make sure that your new password will be strong, so it should contain some numbers and some letters, and make sure then to retype it. All you need to do then, just click at save changes, and your password will be changed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.